All right, this is number 11 from lesson 8.1 homework. So to solve this, first off, realize that we're doing base E, which seems kind of weird, but remember E is just 2.7. So if it helps you, just think of this as base 2.7. And then we're going to switch forms, right? On a log one, you want to switch it to the exponential. So just to do forms, remember it's log base B of A equals X. And then an exponential form, B is the base. And then log means find exponent. So X is the exponent and A is the value. So that's what it looks like in exponential form. So we're going to switch it. But before we switch it, we got to get it to a single log like this. So the trick is if you're adding two logs, as weird as it seems, you multiply the 4 and the x part. So I'm going to write log base E of 4x equals 5. So now I have it as a single log, and now I can switch forms. So I'm going to do base of E exponent of 5, so e to the 5th equals the value of 4x. Right, now I just need to use my calculator to do e to the 5th. And if, we can do 2.71 to the 5th, but there is a special e to the x button. And so that's like 148.4. Okay, and then, oops, sorry, this is 4x. And then divide by 4 on both sides, and you'll get 37.1. Right, and so to the nearest 10th, I think that's right, 37.1 is our answer. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.